Enggak.
Oke. Aku 15 ya.
Satu.
Ih, kenapa sih mulut ini? Private conversation. Last week, I went to the theater. I had a very good seat. The play was very interesting. I didn't enjoy it. A young man and young woman were sitting behind me. They were talking rudely. I got very angry. I could not hear the actors. I turned around. Lu jangan lucu I turned around. I looked at the man and the woman angrily, but they didn't pay any attention. In the end, I could not bear it. I turned around again. Agak tadi gitu lah. I could learn again. I cannot hear the word. A word. I said angrily. It's none your business. It's none of your business. The young man said rudely, "This is a private conversation."
Ya. Berapa ini? 6. Okay. Chapter 6. Percy Buttons. I have just moved to a house in Bridge Street. Yesterday, a beggar knocked at my door. He asked me for a meal and a glass of beer. In return for this, the beggar stood on his head and sang songs. I gave him a meal. He ate the food and drank the beer. Then, he put a piece of cheese in his pocket and went away. Later, a neighbor told me about him. Everybody knows him. His name is Percy Buttons. He calls at every house in the street once a month and always asks for a meal and a glass of beer. Asik!
Tadi ulang deh. Sama tadi 10. Not for jazz. We have an old musical instrument. It is called a clavichord. It was made in Germany. Masa sih?
Gak percaya dia sama aku dari tadi. Gak apa-apa. Belum aja dia kena ketok.
In Germany, ulang.
Okay.
Chapter 10. Not for jazz. We have an old musical instrument. It is called clavichord. It was made in Germany in 1681. Our clavichord is kept in the living room. It has to our family.
Sebelumnya dong. Dimiliki.
Belong. It has belonged to our family for a long time. The instrument is bought by grandfather many years ago. Was bought by grandfather. My grandfather many years ago. Recently, it was damaged by visitors. She
mencoba dulu.
Iya, macam-mana nih?
It's okay. Jadi
She tried to play jazz on it. She struck the keys too hard, and two strings,
Two of
and and two of strings aku lupa.
Were broken.
Oh yeah, were broken. Wait, were broken. Oh yeah, my father was shocked. And now we are not allowed to touch it. It is required, being required a friend by a friend of my father's.
Okay.
My father.
Kayaknya yang satu deh yang hilang. Tadi
Iya.
kamu kemana ya?
Enggak, itu makanya aku lupa mana yang.
Ya udah biarin. Satu juga ya, satu juga.
Satu
Lu
juga.
tiba-tiba lupa lu. Kalau udah five. Wait. 5. Okay, chapter 5. No wrong numbers. Mr. James Scott has a garage in Silbury, and Silbury. And now he has just bought another garage in Pinehurst. Pinehurst is only 5 miles from Silbury, but Mr. Scott can't get a telephone for his new garage, so he has just bought 12 pigeons. Yesterday, a pigeon carried the first message from Pinehurst to Silbury. The bird covered the distance in 3 minutes. Up to now, Mr. Scott has sent a great many requests for spare parts and other urgent messages from one garage to the other. Nih, aku lupa nih. In this way, he has begun his own private telephone service. Okay.
Nah, udah.
Chapter berapa?
Enggak,
Di remote-nya semua.
Aku nggak kasih tahu itu chapter berapa. Jadi kamu tahu deh. Oh my god, the most ini 7. Oh, sebelum too late. The plane was late and detectives were waiting at the airport all morning. Detectives were
Expecting.
Oke, aku lupa gue ngomong apa. Aku ingat exacting. It's apa?
Expecting.
Expecting valuable parcel of diamonds from South Africa. A few hours earlier, someone had told the police that thieves would try to steal the diamonds. When the plane arrived, some of detectives were waiting on the airfield.
Inside.
Oh yeah, inside the main building, and
While
while others were waiting on
the airfield.
on the airfield. And two men took the parcel. Two men took of
Parcel.
Two men took the parcel of plane and carried it into customs house.
The customs. Into the customs.
Yeah, into the custom house. Into the custom house. While ada while nggak?
Yeah. Into the custom house. Iya, ya,
While two detectives were keeping guard at the door, two others opened the parcel. To their surprise, it
The
The
Precious
Oh yeah,
parcel.
the precious parcels was full of stones and sand.
Oke. Udah.
Oke, takut aja gitu. Oke, bisa.
Bisa kalau nggak terlalu dipikirkan bisa. Chapter 2, breakfast or lunch. It was Sunday. I never get up early on Sundays. I sometimes stay in bed until lunchtime. Last Sunday, I got up very late. I looked out of the window. It was dark outside. What a day, I thought. It's raining again. Just then, the telephone rang. It was my aunt, Lucy. I've just arrived by train, she said. I'm coming to see you. But I'm still having breakfast, I said. What are you doing? She asked. I'm having breakfast, I repeated. Dear me, she said. Do you always get up so late? It's 1 o'clock. Kidding.
Kok kamu kayaknya dapetnya yang enak-enak yang muluk ya?
Apa?
Yang enak-enak. Bila aku enak dong. Ih, kenapa harus dapet Inggris sih?
Udah.
Three. Please send me a card. Last summer I went to Italy. Bener ya?
Postcards always spoil my holidays.
Kamu langsung bisu lagi.
Aku bingung tiba-tiba langsung.
Please send me a card. Postcard always spoil my holidays. Last summer I went to Italy. I visit museum and sat in the public gardens. A friendly waiter taught me a few words of Italian. Then he lent me a book. I read a few lines, but I didn't understand a word. Every day, I talk about postcard. Oh ya, my iya aku yang suka lupa di sini.
Iya, sama.
Iya kan?
Heeh.
My holiday passed quickly. But I didn't send any card to my friends. Any cards to my friends. On the last day, I met big dish.
A big decision.
I met a big dish. Aku suka lupa artikel ini. I met a big decision. I spent no. Decision and bought 30.
Sebelum itu ada.
Wait. Kan my holiday passed quickly.
But I didn't
But
write.
I didn't send.
Yeah, but I didn't send any cards to my
to
friends.
my friends. On the last day,
I made a
I
big
met a-
decision.
I met a big decision. And oh yeah, I
Orang gila lu.
I got up early and bought 37 cards. I spent a whole day.
The whole day.
I spent the whole day in my room. I didn't. But ada pada nggak?
Nggak tahu, baik-baik aja lah tambahin.
Iya, nggak apa lah ya.
Iya, nggak
But
apa-apa.
I didn't write a single.
Okay.
Udah kamu udah apa lah ya?
Apa gitu? Kalau kamu gitu malah jadi kayak, oh iya ini kemarin salah gitu. Jadi bakal oh ya udah dua. Kayaknya emang dua emang mau sama aku mulu nih.
Gitu loh.
Chapter 11. One good turn deserves another.
Salah.
I was having dinner at a restaurant when Harry Steele came in. Harry worked in a lawyer's office years ago. And now And now he's working at a bank. He gets a good salary, but he always borrows any money.
Boros.
But he
Money.
always borrows money from his friends and never pays it back. Harry saw me and came and sat at the same table. He has never borrowed money from me. While he was eating, I asked him to lend me 2 pounds. Two
Yeah,
pounds.
2 pounds.
To my surprise, he gave me the money immediately. I have never borrowed any money from you, he said. So now,
Harry said.
Harry said, he said.
Harry said.
Harry said, so now you can pay for my dinner. Udah selesai. Aku takutnya kayak ada batnya apa enggak,
Nah, itu.
atadennya apa enggak.
Ada kayak
Iya, padahal sama aja sih sebenarnya.
Menurutku, abis itu aku kalau memikirkan satu kalimat, aku suka ngomong bat.
Iya, gitu kan.
Gitu. Salah. Bismillah aja. Ya. Dadidadidudududak. Boom.
3. Have done.
4. Oh my god.
4, it's so easy, I think.
No.
Then
Then
chapter 9.
9.
9 is
It's Sam.
the most difficult.
An exciting trip. I had
I have just received.
serius. Yang had tuh apa?
Itu, do you speak English? I had an amusing experience last week.
Berarti tadi temen salah. Aku ikutin salah. Stop ya. I have just received a letter from my brother, Tim. He is in Australia. He has been there for 6 months. Tim is an engineer. He is working for the big firm, and he has already visited a great number of different places in Australia. He has bought an Australian car, and he has gone to Alice Springs, a small town in the center of Australia. Oh yeah, he will soon visit Darwin. From there, he will fly Perth. He will fly to Perth. My brother My brother has never been aboard before, so he is finding this trip very exciting. Kapan itu? Bisa tidur aja.
Ya Allah.
Judi kita ini, judi.
2 mulu nih, kayaknya besok
Iya.
aku bakal dapet 2 ini. Dua ya Allah, besok.
Iya. Ben.
Yang gede aja deh. 9 ya? Ya Allah. Chapter
Dari tadi
9.
kamu mikirin 9 ya?
Enggak.
Masa?
Cuma yang tadi doang mikir
Iya,
yang
tahu.
tadi. Chapter 9, a cold welcome.
Welcome berarti.
Welcome. A cold welcome. On Wednesday evening, we went to the town hall. It was the last day of the year, and a large crowd of people had gathered under the town hall clock. Nih,
Iya, di sini kan? Di sini kan?
had gathered under the town hall clock. It would strike. Itu ya?
Iya.
It would strike 12 in 20 minutes time.
30 minutes times nggak sih? Times of
Times.
time.
Enggak, time aja. Minutes time. 15 minutes passed, and then at 5 to 12, the clock stopped.
Hmm.
The big knot hand,
The
the big minute hand did not move. We waited and waited,
ini tiba ini emang.
but nothing happened. Suddenly, someone shouted. Suddenly, someone shouted. It's 2 minutes past 12. The clock has stopped. I look at my watch. It was true. The big clock refused to welcome the a new year.
The
The new year. Nih lupa.
Aku tahu.
At that moment, everybody began to laugh and sing. Yes. Allah. Ya Allah, dua, jangan mikirkan 9 ya Allah.
6. Percy Buttons. I have just moved to house in Bridge Street. Yesterday, a beggar knocked at my door. He asked me for a meal and a glass of beer. Aku suka lupa nih, in
return for this.
return dulu ya. In return for this, the beggar stood on his head and sang songs. I gave him a meal. He ate the food and drank the beer. Then he put a piece of cheese in his pocket and went away. Later, neighbor told me about him. Everybody knows him. His name is Percy Button. He calls every house at he calls at every house in this street.
In the street.
In the street, once time.
Once a month.
Once a month. And he always
Gak ada hinya langsung.
Gak ada. And always asks for meal
For a meal
and
and
a glass of beer.
jangan yang kecil-kecil kan ntar dua lagi. 9. Kenapa? Ya Allah, jangan aja 9 ya Allah besok. Nggak usah lihat nih.
Dah.
Our neighbor. Okay. Chapter 12. Goodbye and good luck. Our neighbor, Captain Charles Ellison, will sail from Portsmouth.
Postpone apa?
Tomorrow. he
Astagfirullah.
he our neighbor, Captain Charles Ellison, will sail from Portsmouth tomorrow. We shall meet him at the harbor early in the morning. He will be in his small boat, topsail. Topsail is a famous little boat. It has across. It has sailed across the Atlantic many times. Captain Charles Ellison. Captain Ellison will set up at 8 o'clock. So we shall have plenty of time. We shall see his boat and we shall say goodbye to him. He will be away for 2 months. We are very proud of him. He will take part in an important race across the Atlantic.
Yes.
Sampai di Atlantic doang ya? Yes. Ya Allah, kalau lupa kita gak dikasih tahu ya.
Enggak.
Itu bakal harus saya besok.
So, I have that. Oh, 16.
16.
Yes.
16 kita hampir 15 Pi. Ulang. Aneh banget 16. Seriusan 16 nih. 15 kali.
16, aku bisa di 16. Oh my god.
Hati-hati.
7.
Gimana gak dapet 7?
2.
Okay.
Breakfast or lunch? It was Sunday. I never get up on Sundays. I sometimes still in bed, stay in bed until lunchtime. Last Sunday, I got up very late. I look of the window.
I look out of the window.
Yeah,
I look out of
I
the
look out of the window. It was dark outside. What a day, I thought. It's raining again. Just then, the telephone rang. It was my aunt, Lucy. I have just arrived by train, she said. Oh my god, it's easy, but I forget. uh, I'm coming to see you. But I'm still having breakfast, I said. What are you doing? She asked. I having breakfast, I repeated. Dear me, she said. Do you always get up so late? It's 1 o'clock.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ini udah jadi nasi campur
Iya.
ini.
12. 9. Ya Allah.
Lain aku belum ya.
Good luck. What is this? 13. Oh, chapter 13. The Greenwood Boys. The Greenwood Boys are a group of popular singers. At present, they are visiting all parts of the country. They will be arriving here tomorrow. They will be coming by train, and most of the young people in the town will be meeting them at the station. At the station.
Kok aku sama-sama lupa ya?
Wait. At the station. They will be singing at
No,
the.
ada sebelumnya tomorrow evening.
Oh ya, tomorrow evening they will. Aku lupa di situ.
Emang sama.
Tomorrow evening, iya. Tomorrow evening they will be singing. They will singing.
They will be singing bener.
Ada bunyinya. They will be singing at the workers club.
Bacanya klak.
Club. At the workers club. They will be staying for 5 days. During this time, they will be give 5 performances.
Nggak ada B-nya.
Oh ya, they will give 5 performances.
Iya kan?
Iya, nggak ada B-nya. Tahu yang tadi juga.
Ada tadi, kalau tadi kan pakai ing.
Oh iya ya. They will give 5
Ada nggak ya?
performances. Nggak ada.
Nggak ada
They
B-nya.
will give. Iya.
Enggak, yang tadi yang singing.
They will be singing.
Ada kan pas tadinya.
They will be singing at the workers club.
Aku coba dulu soalnya.
They will be staying for 5 days. During this time, they will give 5 performances. As usual, the police will have a difficult time. They will be trying to keep order. It is no, it is.
It has nggak sih?
It has.
It has apa itu biasanya? It has always itu.
Oh yeah, it is always. It is gak sih? It has.
It is.
It is always the same on these occasions.
On this.
Bacanya this.
These occasions.
This. Kalau this itu bacanya this. Kalau this bacanya this.
Hah? Ini.
On these occasions.
Seven. Lu belum dapat seven ya?
Sudah bilang lu have 10.
Seven.
Aku.
Hah?
Aku belum.
Not yet kan?
No, yeah. Not yet.
Five. No wrong numbers. Iya. No wrong numbers. Mr. James Scott has just bought Mr. James Scott
Garasinya
has,
dulu.
garage in Silbury. He has just bought another garage in Pinehurst. Pinehurst is only 5 miles from Silbury. But Mr. James Scott, Mr. Scott cannot get a telephone in for
His new garage.
his new garage. So he just bought.
He has just bought.
12 pigeons. 12 pigeons. Yesterday, a pigeon carried the first message from Pinehurst to Silbury. The bird covered the distance in 3 minutes. Up to now, Mr. Scott has sent great many requests for spare parts and other urgent messages from one garage in the others.
To the other.
To the others. In the others, what is that? To the others.
To the other.
To the other.
Not
To the other.
without us.
In this way,
Aku paling males banget kayak
Iya.
in this way at the moment.
in this way, he has begun his own private telephone service. Udah berapa lama Ki?
Ini 7. Too late. The plane was late and detectives were waiting at the airport all morning. All morning. A few hours earlier. Bener gak sih?
Ada yang salah.
Iya, kayaknya ada yang kurang.
Ada yang kurang.
Iya kan?
Kan the plane was late.
And detectives were
Detectives.
waiting. Oh, they were expecting.
Ah.
They were expecting a valuable parcel of
They are
diamonds.
nggak sih?
They were.
Iya.
Kan present. They were
Pass on.
Oh iya, pas sama goblok. They were expecting they were expecting a valuable parcel of diamonds from South Africa. A few hours earlier, someone had told that thieves would try.
The police. To the police.
Enggak ada orang di situ.
Someone had told police. Tak percaya.
Apa ya? No, sebelum
They were.
They were expecting a valuable parcel of diamonds from South Africa. A few hours earlier, someone had told the police that thieves would try to steal the diamonds. When the plane arrived, two detectives,
Some-
two
Some
some of
of
the detectives were waiting inside the main building, while others were waiting on the airfield. Two men took the parcel of the plane and carried it into the customs house, while two detectives were keeping guard at the door. Two others opened the parcel. To their surprise, the precious parcel was full of stones and sand. Udah nggak sinkron nih otak.
Kamu udah kan tuh?
Udah, berarti kita semuanya udah aja. 7 juga udah.
Eight.
kan?
Wait,
Where's the 8? Oh, I know.
the worst and the best and the worst. George Sanders has the most beautiful gardens in our town. Nearly everybody, enters the nicest gardens competitions, but Joe wins every time. Bill Fritz is larger. Bill Fritz's garden is larger than Joe
Juice.
and Joe's. No. Bill work harder than Joe and more and grows more flowers and vegetables. But Joe's garden is more interesting. He has met what is that? He has met Knit Pat and wood and has built wooden a wooden bridge over a pool over pool. I like gardens too, but I don't like hard work. Every year, I enter. I ada lulus nggak? Nggak ada kan? I enter the
Farm.
I enter for the nice for the garden competition
Two.
too. I always win
And I always
and I always win a little
a little
a little wait a little a little prize for the worst garden in the town.
13 sudah belum tadi?
Kamu 8 udah?
Belum. 13 sudah? 12 sudah?
Udah.
Aku juga udah.
Apa tadi ya? Udah. Good blind
Nih, what is this? 8. Pesan ada 2 kayaknya nih, 8.
Apa sih? Jalan itu.
Tadi kertasnya gini.
Iya.
Oh iya. Apa itu tadi? Lupa. Chapter 8.